Homeowners in Glendale, Arizona, know that a great door does more than open and close. It protects your home, enhances curb appeal, and improves comfort year-round. In recent years, more Glendale residents have been upgrading their homes with modern replacement doors that blend beauty, efficiency, and durability. Whether it's a sleek front entryway, a secure patio door, or a stylish sliding glass design, today's replacement doors offer advanced features that outperform older models in nearly every way. Here's why this upgrade has become one of the smartest investments for Glendale homeowners. Energy efficiency. For Arizona's extreme climate, Glendale's weather can be tough on homes. From triple-digit summer temperatures to monsoon season humidity, Arizona's desert climate demands materials that can handle the heat. Older doors often lack insulation, allowing cool air to escape and hot air to seep in, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern replacement doors are engineered to combat that problem with features like insulated cores that reduce heat transfer, low-E glass panels that reflect UV rays while maintaining natural light, tight weather stripping that seals out dust and drafts. These improvements create a noticeable difference in indoor comfort while lowering energy consumption and utility costs, something every Glendale homeowner appreciates during those scorching summer months. Enhanced home security and durability. Your door is the first line of defense between your family and the outside world. Older doors, especially those made of wood or thin aluminum, can warp, crack, or weaken over time. Modern replacement doors are built for strength and security. Many feature reinforced steel or fiberglass cores, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. These materials not only stand up to daily wear and tear but also offer greater resistance against forced entry in extreme weather conditions. For Glendale homeowners, that means peace of mind, knowing your home is safe and your doors will last for decades. Aesthetic upgrades that boost curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the most visible features of your home. A worn or outdated door can make even a well-maintained property look tired. New replacement doors instantly refresh your exterior and can completely transform your home's appearance. Modern door designs come in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, from wood-grain fiberglass that mimics natural timber to sleek steel and glass combinations that complement contemporary architecture. For Glendale's mix of desert modern and ranch-style homes, a stylish new entryway can elevate the entire aesthetic, boosting curb appeal and resale value. In fact, according to home improvement experts, replacing an entry door can deliver one of the highest returns on investment of any home upgrade. Improved functionality and low maintenance. One of the major reasons Glendale homeowners are switching to modern replacement doors is convenience. New materials like fiberglass and vinyl-clad steel resist warping, cracking, and fading, common issues caused by Arizona's intense sun and dry conditions. These doors are also easy to clean and maintain, often requiring little more than an occasional wipe down to keep them looking new. Smooth gliding patio doors and well-fitted hinges also improve day-to-day usability, providing seamless operation for years to come. For busy homeowners, that means less time on upkeep and more time enjoying a comfortable, beautiful home. Better indoor comfort and noise control. Modern replacement doors don't just look great, they feel great. With advanced insulation and sealing systems, they help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and block out outdoor noise. Whether you live near a busy street or enjoy quiet desert nights, upgraded doors help create a peaceful, comfortable interior. And with customizable glass options, you can enjoy natural light without the glare or heat gain that comes from older glass panels. Final thoughts for Glendale homeowners: modern replacement doors offer a perfect balance of performance, protection, and beauty. They enhance comfort, improve energy efficiency, and increase home value, all while standing up to the region's harsh climate. Whether you're looking to update your entryway, secure your patio, or modernize your entire home exterior, investing in professionally installed replacement doors is a decision that delivers lasting results. With the right materials, design, and expert installation, your Glendale home will not only look better, it will feel better, too.